Yo, what's up guys? What's up YouTube? Simply Andrew95 here. I'm here to do another opening video for you guys. And guys, it is my other Pokemon Go Elite Trainer bots. So yeah, very excited to open this, guys. Of course, guys, we had some fire in yesterday's Pokemon Go Elite Trainer bots. Let me go see if I can find a knife. Okay. Alright guys, sorry about that. Had to find something to open the Elite Trainer box. So yeah, very excited about opening this other Elite Trainer bots. Oh, and apparently I forgot something yesterday. Excuse me. Here are the codes from yesterday's video. And then here are the codes for today. So, sorry about that, guys. Forgot that those were in there. Alright, let's go ahead and get to our 8 pats. Our 10 pats. Sorry, guys, so used to saying, go ahead and get our Mewtwo promo card. We'll just leave everything else in that little box. Pick up our mess that we made. Alright guys, here is our code card for the Elite Trainer bots. That should, I think, unlock the Mewtwo promo and 10 booster packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright guys. Sorry about that, guys. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get started. So very excited about opening this. Hopefully, guys, we can either pull that Radiant Charizard or the alternate art Mewtwo. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna guess Fire Energy, and it is Lucky Water. Alright guys, we got a Pupitar, Lure Module, Camerupt, Squirtle, Onix, Wimpod, Tranquil, Apom, Blastoise for the reverse, okay, and a Mewtwo V, okay. Got a Mewtwo, but not the one we wanted. Alright. Nets pack. So, see if we can, like I said, pull some fire, pull some psychic energy, and it is darkness. Shout out to Old Time Pokey, Ivysaur, Egg Incubator, Chansey, Numel, Alolan Raticate, Tranquil, Larvitar, Natu, Bidoof, and it is no Ditto, and an Articuno. Okay. I'll put Mewtwo a little bit front and center. I'll put Articuno right there. Alright. Code card. Whew. Sorry. Fire Energy. All right, Lucky Leaf. And we are underway, guys. We got a Candela, Unfeasant, Lunatone, Squirtle, another Squirtle, Charmander, Alolan Raticate, Tranquil. Oh my goodness. I saw the red background. Camerupt and a Pikachu. Okay. Camerupt, you're a savage. You're savage. I really don't know how hard it is to get the Radiant Charizard. I really don't, guys. I mean, you would think the Radiants would be kind of easy. Well, I just destroyed that pack. I mean, you would think the trainer gallery from the sets would be easy too. Fire Energy, and it is Lucky Lightning. Alright, we got a Lure Module, Camerupt, Blanche, Bulbasaur, Pidove, Magikarp, Onix, Eevee, Meltan for the reverse, and Ace. Oh, sorry. Sorry about that, guys. We got a Snorlax for the holo. I'm trying to tough it out, guys. I hit the tripod. I haven't been feeling good. The last couple of days. But I'm trying to tough it out to do this video for you guys. Lightning Energy, and it is Metal. Let's see if I can move this. There we go. Got a Lunatone, Ivysaur, Pokestop, Pikachu, Squirtle, Bidoof, Meltan, Charmander, Bulbasaur for the reverse, and a Blastoise holo. Okay. All right. All right, let's see if we can pull another pull. All we've gotten is holos, 4 holos and a rare. I mean, an ultra rare. Fire Energy, and it is water. We got a Lunatone, Pupitar, Lure Module, Alolan Raticate, Tranquil, Larvitar, Bidoof, Tranquil, Melmetal for the reverse, and a Melmetal holo. Okay. Man. Guys, I don't know what it is. I hope it's just allergies, guys. But trying to tough it out for you guys. Trying to tough it out. So there we go. And it is fire. Darkness. Okay. Alright, we got a Steelix, Zatu, Slowbro, Bibarel, Spin, Pidove, Alolan Rattata, Wimpod, another Radiant Venusaur. Wow. Why can it not just be the red Radiant and just be Charizard? And a Moltres. Okay. Okay, I guess we have another Radiant Venusaur. I mean, well, we got 3 pads left. Maybe we can pull another Radiant. Alright, there's the code card. I mean, I'm not complaining, guys, but come on. Fire Energy, and it is Leaf. We got a Steelix, Candela, Unfeasant, Numel, Bibarel with Bidoof, Pikachu, Bidoof. New mail. You got an Unfeasant for the reverse and a Slacking. Oh, goodness. Well, we got 2 more packs, guys. Of course, yesterday's video was insane. It's not looking good for this one. It is definitely not looking good. Now, if we can pull an alternate art out of these last 2 packs, then you know, it makes up for it. Fire Energy, and it is fighting. We got a Spark, Ariados, Blanche, Tranquil, Larvitar, Natu, How Do You Do, Ambipom, Slowpoke, Squirtle for the reverse, and a Tyranitar. Alright guys, last pack magic, hopefully. Can we either get in an alternate art Mewtwo, or can we pull a Fire Radiant Lizard? We shall see. Alright, Lightning Energy, and it is finally fire, guys. Okay. We got Rare Candy, Chansey, Spark, Wimpod, Apom, Magikarp, Bulbasaur. I was trying to see if I can get a sneak peek. I don't see anything, guys. We got a Charmander. We got an Ivysaur for the reverse, so no Radiant Charizard. And a Sylveon. Okay. This was possibly the most brutal Elite Trainer bots I've ever had. I mean, guys, I pulled Radiant Venusaur like 5,000 times now. I mean, don't get me wrong, this Mewtwo is awesome. Of course, I pulled the monkey like several times, and I probably pulled all these hollows at least twice. We got a Moltres, Sylveon, Tyranitar, Melmetal, Blastoise, sorry guys, Pikachu, and Articuno. So, you know, I'll put that Articuno on top with Moltres. But anyways, guys, these are our hits. Mewtwo, Radiant Venusaur, and Slacking. So I'll be sleeving those up in just a minute. But like I said, guys, that is today's video for you guys. You know, if you guys did enjoy the video, and of course, if you guys enjoy me coughing my life out, yeah, give me a like. Just give me a like on the video. No cards want to stand up. There we go. But yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, guys, give me a big thumbs up for you guys. Also, guys, subscribe to my channel. Like I said, tonight I'll be getting the cards that I will be giving away for my 200, for me reaching 200 subscribers tonight. So like I said, guys, when I do get it up tonight, you know, make sure, and I'll be putting it on Twitter and YouTube. And like I said, guys, for Twitter, all you got to do is follow me on Twitter. Make sure you're following me, and make sure guys and girls, make sure you're following me as a real person. If you create a fake account, you don't win the cards. As well as on YouTube, I have seen fake accounts on YouTube before. So make sure you're a real person. You know, make sure you are a real person. Also, guys, on YouTube, make sure... Oh, on Twitter, make sure you follow me. Make sure you like and retweet the message. And also, guys, on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed. And make sure you leave a comment below in today's video. And Twitter, hashtag Simply Squad. And I'll be looking at the comments below. And yeah, so like I said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I know, guys, I haven't been feeling good as of late. So just excuse me for all the coughing for that. But anyways, guys, I love you guys and girls, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace.